Maneno kutokea kwa Rais William Ruto leo yameweza kumweka katika njia panda baada ya yeye kuweza kuwakashifu majaji nchini Kenya kwa kudai ya kwamba kuwa wanapokea hongo ndipo kuweza kupinga mikakati ya maendeleo katika serikali yake ya Kenya Kwanza. Na baada ya yeye kuweza kutoa maneno haya chachu ambayo yamekuwa yakielekezwa kwa majaji wakuu nchini Kenya, ambaye ni jaji mkuu na kiongozi wa majaji nchini Kenya, Chief Justice Koome, ameweza kuongea na kuweza kutoa matamshi yake kulingana na yale ambayo Rais William Ruto amepata kuyasema. Chief Justice Koome has finally come out to respond to the recent remarks made by President William Ruto about the judiciary. In a statement she issued on Tuesday, the president accused the judiciary of corruption and deliberate attempts to stop his affordable housing projects orchestrated by those opposing him. In an internal memo seen by our media station, Koome condemned the president's remarks as they were addressing an active issue still pending in the courts. The CJ encouraged all the judiciary members, more so the judge, to continue working in accordance with the law and not be afraid of any intimidation, and she also told them not to be influenced by any authority, noting that they will be protected by the Judicial Commission. Such attacks or comments, when made on matters which are pending before any court, also violate the sub judice imperative, which is a rule of law, derivative and therefore a foundational national value and a principle of our nation. As stated in Article 10 of the Constitution, the memo read. Now, Koome's remarks come shortly after the Law Society of Kenya, led by Eric Deuri, said that next week they will take to the streets to demonstrate against Ruto's slandering remarks. What do you think? And what do you have to say about Koome's response to President Ruto? Leave your comment on the comment section. See you in the next video.